In front of me is POCO F5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Apple layout on this POCO. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in iOS launcher and get this free app from this developer. When your launcher is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, tap on while using and allow in all pop-ups. So while using, allow. Finally, you can close Launcher app and go into Devices settings. In them, scroll all the way down, click on Apps, tap on Manage Apps, and tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Then click on Default Apps. Lastly, just tap on Launcher and click on iOS 1 in order to apply it. So when I click, go back and tap on OK in this pop-up. I can finally select Correct to see that Apple layout was applied successfully on my POCO. If you wish to, you can always switch between your layouts by accessing Settings and choosing POCO Launcher or iOS 1. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!